Hi, I'm going to show you how to copy and paste the text from your Google document onto your ByteSlide account. First, you need to open your Google Drive and your ByteSlide project. When you open your ByteSlide project, you need to make sure you click Edit so that you can make changes. Okay, so now I have my ByteSlides open and my Google documents open. What I need to make sure I do is find my fictional narrative. So I'm going to look at, not at the shared with me where it's probably already open, but click on my drive. When you click on my drive, a list of everything you've created should come up. So I'm going to find what I want. So I want to open Miss Crystal's fictional narrative. So it should pop right up here. Okay, so here's the story that I've been writing. So now I go back to my ByteSlide and I want to click this T that says text so I can get text on my page, and I'm just going to click anywhere in the empty space that I left. It doesn't matter what the font is right now at this point because we'll change it in a second. So I go back to my page and I highlight everything that I want to copy onto that first page that I'm working on. And then I'm going to use a shortcut for copy where I press the Command and C button at the same time, or if I'm using a PC, I click Control and C at the same time, and that will copy my text. Then I go back onto my ByteSlide account, and where it says Start Typing, I'm going to highlight that, and I'm going to now press Command V or Control V, depending on if I'm using a Mac or a PC. So since I'm using a Mac, I press Command V, and there's my story. Control V if I'm using a PC. Now I can change I can look at here's all my text. Okay, I can change the font, and I'm going to probably pick something I can read pretty easily. I wouldn't want to pick something that's hard to read. I'm going to pick Chewy. I can change the color to anything I want in here. Okay, and I can also resize it. Okay, if I want, click it, I can move it around. Now I just edit it just as if it were a picture. So I can change it so it's bigger, so it's smaller. Okay, I can move it around this way. Okay, whatever I want to do. Okay, and there's my text. And it's as easy as that. So now on my next page, I would go in and I could do the same thing. So I'd copy my text, Command C or Control C, go back to my page, press text, click, Command V or Control V, and now I can play around with it, and there's my story. Okay? If I make a mistake, I can simply press delete. And that's as easy as that. So hopefully that you'll be able to figure that out. One last thing before you finish, please make sure right here it has the title of your story. It shouldn't say untitled here. It should say whatever the name of your story is. And I think that's all you need to know. Have fun creating your online storybook, and I can't wait to read them.